Payment gateways. This is the most critical step when having a sales funnel that runs on complete autopilot with you not being present in the transaction. So a payment gateway is a setup on complete autopilot which is systematized for your potential market to click onto your payment gateway, whereby it will direct them into them entering their personal details, thereafter their banking details, so that you can check your notifications and see how you are getting paid online on complete autopilot. This is a systematized website or funnel that derives into your income, whereby your business runs on complete autopilot without you being present in all the transactions. That is the full potential of actually doing online and digital marketing. 6, 7, 8-figure earners have multiple payment gateways whereby they are driving the traffic into a capture page, thereafter into the sales funnel. So get a professional or an expert that can set up payment gateways. This will derive in your online success as well as you moving forward online.